Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Wazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage.
You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazymangarage.
Okay. Now bear with me. I'm not the best at welding, again, like I said. But the beads go straight across. All the way. They're penetrating through. This I know. See, as you can see, there are shit welds. They would just break off, but... And I'm hitting that thing hard, like... That's not going nowhere, so... This is going along pretty good, other than the seam sealer. It's catching on fire underneath. And it smells something fierce. The whole garage, as you can see, like I'm filming outside there, but it's all foggy. That's all smoke from this. Oof, smells really, really bad. So I'm gonna give myself some air. I'm well ventilated, so nobody has to worry. I got this open, that open, that open, that open, and for some reason the gate opened. Okay, round two. So started welding all this. All this little stuff is seam sealer. Started welding all this. And I started welding all that. There's a lot of smoke coming out from underneath this car. Really hope there's not a fire. Oh! There was a fire. Oh shit. Oh, you gotta love Honda. They made seam sealers so you can catch on fire faster. Because that stuff just keeps burning and burning. Man, does this shit smell. Ugh. Alright guys, I'm here with Alex again. I don't know why I said it like a British guy. I'm here with Alex again, or a redneck guy. Anyways, today we're going to be doing his exhaust because he did a pull and somehow it blew off the welds, which is weird. So he's going to jack up the car. He already got this side jacked up. He's going to do the other side. We're going to get on in there. We're going to address the situation, drop down the exhaust, and then I'm going to weld it. I am no professional when it comes to welding, so you guys can judge my welds as much as you guys want to. You guys can adjust my welds as much as you guys want to. I don't care. Alright, so right here is where the problem is. These are awful welds. It looks like it's... Oh yeah, it slipped off right here. Because whoever did it, they put the pipe over it. And the welds were right there and they eventually broke off. Watch Alex, come down here.
What?
Look. Come here. Look at my phone. Do you see where it's separated?
Yeah.
Like how this part over here is the metal and it was welded over there?
Yeah.
Now it's not. There's a little gap in between and that's a piece of metal. So somebody slid metal on top of that. Huh. Well, time to take this bad boy down so I could do what I need to do. Okay. So, seeing this, what if I... Oh. Okay. Well. If you want to take it off from these three, right here.
Yeah.
And then... probably drop it from back there. Just a little... And I'll get under here and... But that is... Yeah, there's going to be a lot of grinding I need to do to make this clean. And then I'm going to have to cut it maybe from here. Maybe from right here or right here. But I don't know what all this stuff is. This looks like the stock piping. You don't even have a catalytic converter, do you?
Custom made.
Custom made cat? That's your cat?
Yeah.
Jesus, does it? So this car definitely doesn't pass smog whatsoever.
It's carb legal, bro.
Just because the header says so doesn't mean the exhaust is. Okay, well, looks like 14s.
Yeah.
You didn't bring your tool set, did you?
Yeah, it's in my trunk.
Alright, so this is the pipe I was telling you guys about. It's
Booty hole.
it's booty welds. I don't know what is even going on here. It's like two different pipes.
I got it like that.
It's like two different pipes, but they're not like welded together on the inside at all. Huh? Where's your dugger? Oh, those are broken. So yeah, I cut this off. So what we're gonna do is with the other pipe. This piece right here is what he got. So let's say this is the pipe that I cut off on the other side. It fits perfectly in there like that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this side on the part that's cut. This is part that goes towards the headers. So essentially like this, right? So since this is broken, the other side is kind of like that, but it's all shattered like how this is. There's no pipe like that. So it does have a stretched area, how like this has a sunken one. It's his the car is kind of stretched. So what we're gonna try to do is put this tip into there and see if that works. If not, then I'm going to have to cut this off and weld it as just this pipe. But we're not gonna be using that much pipe on this. I'm probably gonna cut about maybe that much more just to be safe, and then weld it on, and then should be good. No more exhaust leak. Oh, Jesus, I know I could lay welds better than this, that's for sure. Now, just so you guys know ahead of time, Alex got his car exhaust like this. This is how it came. So you guys see where it snapped off, obviously. Where I'm going to cut it, if it will let me fit it in there, is I'm going to cut it from this line here, and hopefully that piece of right here where my finger is will fit into there, and then I can weld it. If not, I'm gonna have to cut it back from here, and my phone is slipping out of my hand, so I'm gonna have to cut it back from here and then weld it fat to fat instead of small tip, and put it inside like the male inside the female tip. So man, sorry, didn't mean to drop that. But oh, look at these welds. Oh, JDM. That's your excuse for everything. I'm like, damn, dude, my dad left me. It's
Sorry,
JDM, bro.
Taiwan, bro.
Okay, so I just got done welding Alex's pipes up together, and what I did was I welded first, so I saw it go through and penetrate through the metal, and then I went over it again just to be safe for structural integrity. It's not the best welds, but it holds. It's better than booger welds, but these are considered booger welds. So it works. It's not going nowhere. Sorry, my bad. But yeah, it's welded together, so hopefully that will hold together. Now we gotta put it onto the other pipe, see where it's at. Then I gotta shave it down a little bit, and then weld it. But welding upside down is kind of tricky, and I hate doing it because all that stuff falls all over you and it hurts. So I wasn't using flux core to weld this. Chris Sadowski, please don't be mad at me. Sensei, if you will. I was using the mild steel with gas, because this already has a lot of warpage on it, and I didn't feel like changing out the wire to go to flux core. So that's why I'm using the mild steel and gas. Okay, so essentially, here's what happened to his exhaust. So these are the two pieces that I cut. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's welded. It was welded. He did a pull. That sounds awful. Sounds like it's running on 3 cylinders. He did a pull, and it caused it to snap. Now you see how this pipe is right here? What I'm essentially doing is I'm taking the new pipe and overlaying it like this. Then I'm going to weld on it, and then it won't be like this anymore, because this is the OEM pipe, and this is not. I don't know what that is. Oh, this is the pipe that they slipped over it. And so this is all OEM pipe with excess metal from this. So I don't know, I should probably clean this up and give it to him as a gift. But yeah, that's essentially what happened. So these welds didn't hold up, they didn't do their job, and they snapped. So hopefully this won't happen again once I get up to the new pipe up. God, I hate saying pipe, man, because now you guys are gonna all fucking rag on me. Okay, so far I am getting it, but it's not looking too well, because it's kind of difficult to weld in here. I don't know how Chris Sadowski does it, or anybody else that welds, but I mean, if it works, it works. You know, critique my welding all you want. I don't know how to weld, but I do know how to make a mean sandwich. So there's that. just letting you guys know, it's not easy being a OG out here. You know what an OG stands for is original good boy. So it's hard to weld underneath things. I don't have a lot of room. I'm also fat, and we're using 3 jack stands and a jack and another jack to raise this bad boy, because the DAs have terrible jacking points. They are awful, god awful. Honda, what were you thinking? Acura, what were you thinking? So I'm gonna weld the top of the exhaust, and then we're gonna start it after he puts the gasket back on, because the flange has a gasket. After we put the gasket back on, hopefully it doesn't go and it sounds nice and clean, and then I could be like, I did it. All right, Alex is doing what he does best, and he gets on all fours, and I just got done welding. You just hear him geek out. I just got done welding. Turn off my gas. Always turn off your gas when you're done welding, because you don't want to waste the fluid.
Wait, but did it?
Wait, but didn't what?
Wasn't it on?
What, the gas? Yeah, it was. I left it on, remember? I was trying to have you open it, and I was like, oh, it's already open. Did you put the gasket back in?
The what?
The gasket that goes in
We
between
don't
it.
need that, bro.
I see the gasket in it. You liar.
Damn it.
It's like right there. So he's connecting this, and then we're gonna start it and see how it sounds. God, I need to practice a lot more, because those are awful. But if it works, it works. Like, go ahead, critique me, like I said, because this is my first exhaust job I've ever done. So you guys can make fun of me all you want. It's working, doing what it's supposed to do. He said before it didn't blow out anything before. Do I have a bunch of metal? Oh, I do have metal shavings all over my phone. I'm gonna go take it for a spin so I can see if it sounds like or if it just sounds normal. Because before it sounded like a fart can. Still sound like it? No? Sounds a lot better. Does it feel and sound better to you?
Quiet.
Huh?
Quiet.
Quiet? Alright, that's all that matters then, right? Do you have a crack in the exhaust leak back here? I mean, well, in the exhaust back here?
By the way, it's popping.
Yeah. You want me to see? Young Static taught me everything. Watching Young Static has taught me anything. It's keep whatever you can, because you never know when you might need it. For those of you who saw a few videos ago where Ryan wrecked his car is now in my backyard. The plan for this is going to be taking everything off. No doors, no panels, no nothing. So if you live in the Inland Empire area, everything on the exterior is for sale. So the hood, the fenders, the bumper, the headlights, the doors, depending on how bad the doors are on the new shell that he's gonna get, the mirrors, sunroof, stuff like that, they're all for sale. Windshield wipers. We're taking his interior, so he's taking his seats and his you know, little stuff like the suspension and whatnot, but like the dash, it isn't all clapped out like some dashes are. Let's see if it's open. Nope. So the dash isn't all messed up. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, the dash isn't all messed up, but he's taking his block off plates and all that. So in the rear, the bumper's messed up, but these lights right here in the center are good. So I'll let you guys know when the appraiser comes to evaluate his car and check it out and see if, like, what he's gonna get for insurance. And he gives me the okay, I'll start putting prices down below and or on my Instagram or my offer up. So stay tuned for that, because if you guys need something, you know to go. But that's gonna end it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know there wasn't that much in this video, but trust me, I got a lot more content coming soon of the CRX. If you guys need any motor work done, head on over to SB Machine Shop. Let them know that I sent you. They do motors worldwide. They even built BZ Motors motor. So if that doesn't tell you anything, I don't know what will. Also, if you guys need any car parts, head on over to Omo Motorsports in Montclair, California. If you guys need anything shipped across the world, they do that too. They have everything you need. My name is Chris from Lazyman Garage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.